Generating reports for your fleet of industrial scientific instruments using iNet control can be a useful way to stay informed of major alarm events, equipment issues, or other statistics. These reports can be set to automatically generate and be sent to you via email at a set time. Today, I'll be showing you how to create a high gas alarm report in iNet control. After logging into iNet control, navigate to the report administration page by clicking on reports at the top of the screen. This page will show a list of your existing reports and give you the option of adding a new report or editing one of the existing ones. To create a report, select Add. This will bring up a page for you to customize and create the report you want. In this example, we will be generating a report with all the instruments that have had a high gas alarm over the past week. To do this, first select the type of report you wish to make. You will see a list of options when clicking on the script below Report. In this example, you will select Custom Gas Alarm Report. Next, fill in the report name and choose the time frame for the report. In this example, I would like to generate a report for the previous week. Now, scroll down to the report details, where we can filter the columns to show the information we want. For this report, I only want to see the high gas alarms. To do this, simply type in high under the alarm type and click Enter. Now we can see that there are only instrument alerts that were high. As with any table or list in iNet control, you can add or remove any columns by clicking on the Choose Column icon on the top left. Once the table has been customized to what you want, scroll down to the Available Recipients section. Here, you can choose who will receive these reports via email. Simply tick the box next to their name and email to select the recipients. From here, you can set the frequency of these reports under Scheduled Recurrence. You can also select the day and the time you wish the reports to be sent. To save the report, click OK. Now you should see a new report added to your list on the Report Administration page. If you had selected None under the Scheduled Recurrence, no report will be automatically generated, but you will be able to manually generate the report by clicking on the Generate Now button. This will bring up a pop-up window with the recipients you've selected, but you can also add any other email addresses at this time and click Send to receive an Excel spreadsheet of your report. If you want to learn more about how to get the most out of the iNet Control platform, the team at your local AirMet Scientific office are happy to help with any questions you may have.